In this section, we will discuss property of triangle, law of cosine. The law of cosine is an equation relating the length of sides of a plane triangle to the cosine of one of its angle. In triangle ABC, we have cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Cos B equal to C square plus A square minus B square upon 2CA. Cos C equal to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB, where ABC denote the lengths of BC, CA and AB respectively. Consider a triangle ABC where we can draw the altitude from vertex C to line AB. In triangle ADC, we can write cos A equal to AD upon B, where value of AD equal to B cos A. We can make equation number 1. In triangle BDC, we can apply here Pythagoras theorem. In triangle BDC, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. BC square equal to BD square plus CD square. In the given triangle ABC, we can write here BD equal to AB minus AD and CD equal to AC square minus AD square. We can open here bracket of A minus B, AB minus AD whole square. Using identity A minus B whole square, we can write AB square plus AD square minus 2AB into AD plus AC square minus AD square. AD square positive and AD square negative we can remove here. After simplification, we have BC square equal to AB square plus AC square minus 2AB into AD. We can substitute here values of AB, BC and CA. Then cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Similarly, we can find the values of cos A and cos B, cos C. These values are known as law of cosine. For example, in a triangle ABC, if A equal to 3, B equal to 5, C equal to 7, find the values of cos A, cos B and cos C. We can apply here cosine rule to find the values of cos A, cos B, cos C. We know that cos A equal to A square plus B square minus cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. We can substitute here values of ABC to find cos A equal to 13 upon 14, cos B equal to 11 upon 14 and cos C equal to minus 1 by 2. Next example we have in triangle ABC, prove that B multiplied by C cos A minus A cos C equal to C square minus A square. Using cosine formula, we can take LHS to prove RHS. B bracket C cos A minus A cos C multiply by B in the given bracket. We can write LHS in the form of BC cos A minus BA cos C. Substitute here value of cos A, B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC, and value of cos C, A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. We can remove BC by BC, here BA by BA. Taking 1 by 2 as common, after simplification, we have C square minus C square equal to RHS. In any triangle ABC, prove that A minus B whole square into cos square C by 2 plus A plus B whole square into sin square C by 2 equal to C square. We can take LHS. A minus B whole square cos square C by 2 plus A plus B whole square into sin square C by 2. We can write here sin square C by 2 equal to 1 minus cos square C by 2. Using identity sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. After simplification, we can take cos square C by 2 from first and third term as common. Taking cos square C by 2 as common, we can simplify the bracket A minus B whole square minus A plus B whole square. After simplification, a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square, we have minus 4ab multiplied by cos square c by 2. Cos square c by 2 can be changed in the form a plus cos c, because we know that cos c equal to 2 cos square c by 2 minus 1. We can multiply by minus 2ab in the given bracket. We can write the form minus 2ab cos c plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. We can write here value of cos c, because minus 2ab is removed by positive 2ab. Minus 2ab into cos c, put here value of cos c, a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab. 2ab removed by 2ab with value of cos c. We can multiply by minus in the given bracket. After simplification, we have c square equal to RHS.